Mega Halloween pack opening. Even though I say mega, I spent 12,000 FIFA points yesterday, and this time it's only a jobber amount. But anyway, well, jobber amount. I mean, this is fucking some people's weekly wages. Like, this is like 2 hours work for me. But regardless, it's a board. That was a pretty big board. We are who we are. That's pish, man. That's fucking. That's savage. Robbie Savage at Fifa, man. Pish. That's what. Get your Fimto sticker. Come on, man. Come on. Was it wrong to expect a fucking board? For the fuck, like, I mean, a mega pack and you get an 80 rated. I mean, I'd take like a Rashford or something, someone that's not even a board. You know what I mean? But to actually get no one. Come on! Right! Oh. No, I mean, see the amount of times I've packed Naldo. I mean, give us some Brazilian centre back that's a walkout. You know what I mean? That's actually good. I mean, give us like Thiago Silva. Just realised, the ratings, well, the prices have all went up because those SBCs. So when I sold them last time, it was like 8k. So that's no bad. Come on! Oh! Could have been like Paul Pogba, but you know, Rabiot will have to just fucking do, won't he? Like, I'm meaning to quick sell these as I'm sending to the club, yes, and I seen Lee Wallace, fuck me, man. Am I on like meth or something? Big Lee Griffiths, but come on. Right, I would have took Naldo, fuck off, don't give me Philippe, man. I'm sorry, Naldo. I didn't mean it. Come on. Send them the club, man. Oh, Usman Dembele. Like the world, it is ours. Fucking pish, man. All the mega packs gone, and Naldo really the only thing to talk about. Is this going to be? It's not even going to be a rare, like. So I mean, I've got a rash on my fucking leg, man. I've got a Rashford on my leg. Haha, quality, man. Fucking quality. Get a new suit. Wrap it around your neck. And go and hang yourself. Number 1, it's Lico Day. Number 2, it's Lico Day. Number 3, it's Lico Day. Number 2, it's Lico Day. Right, so the chances of a 58. Right. 5 of these I get to open 2, so one of these should be a board at least, off of EA's pack weight. I mean, it's not guaranteed, like, but that's the way it should work out as. So come on. Oh, inform! Serbia. Oh, man, I've already packed you, Mitrovic, man. Look at you, man. You're missing, like, your front row of teeth. Walkout and an inform. Oh. Alright, come on, Giza, another wee slammer, man. Giza slammer, da dee da da da. Giza fucking slammer, man. Number 1, it's Ben Davies. Number 2, it's Ben Davies. I need to shut up. Like, I've got something severely wrong with me. But so's the guy I'm mimicking as well. Yeah, I mean that'll do it for this pack opening. Well, apart from the next 5k pack, like I'm going to spend more FIFA points there off screen. And hopefully get something from the 3 remaining packs. But you all know I won't. And yet we end with Salah, and it's no Mo Salah. It's the guy that's utter pish. But until next time, and talking of a guy that's utter pish, Danny Well.